In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Starling Bank account effortlessly. First, let's start with accessing the right web page. You need to make your way to the Starling Bank website where they offer an easy process to open a bank account online in just a few minutes. So open up your internet browser and type in the URL for Starling Bank's online application page. If you're having trouble finding it, simply search for Starling Bank Open Account and it should appear. Now, once you're on the site, you'll see various banking options available to you. Personal accounts, joint accounts, and even business accounts are all available, each catering to different needs. Let's focus on the personal side first. They offer a range of options such as an individual current account, which is perfect if you're looking for a straightforward day-to-day banking solution. If you need a shared account with your partner, you might be interested in opening a joint account. They even have a special Euro account available if you frequently deal in euros. Moreover, there is a teen account option, which is great if you're looking to set something up for young users. Each account type has its own benefits and requirements, so you should take the time to read through which might suit you best. Make sure you're selecting the correct type, as it will guide the details and documents you may need to provide later on. For those of you looking towards business accounts, Starling offers several options too. Whether you are a business looking to hold multiple currencies or a sole trader needing a personal touch, they have business accounts tailored for both GBP and international needs, such as the Euro Business, USD Business accounts, and the General Business account. Again, choose the one that aligns with your trade and financial needs. Once you've decided on the account type best for you, the application process requires a few simple things. Ensure you have a smartphone with access to the internet, as this will be key for verifying your identity and receiving updates. You'll also need a valid photo ID such as a passport or driving license. This helps Starling Bank verify your identity and ensure security. Don't worry, the process usually takes between 5 to 10 minutes from start to finish, so it won't take up too much of your time. So there you have it. With these steps, opening your Starling Bank account is a straightforward and manageable task. Whether personal or business, Euro or USD, Starling Bank provides an array of options to suit your individual or corporate needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started on your financial journey with Starling.